I got this so that it could see if it could actually charge my daughter's MacBook. And I was really open it up and I was surprised. I guess I didn't read the instructions, but it actually comes with two. So I thought I was just getting one, but the bonus, I love that when you just bonus that you get two. Now it has just a USB-A and a USB-C on it. We're gonna test it really quick live right here to make sure that it will actually charge a laptop, because that's what it says. It says it's a fast charging lab. So fast charge, or it has 30 watts to push out. So just a USB-C into this MacBook right here. And we're gonna, oh, I heard it. I heard it.
Dang, that's fast.
Look at that. It's charging. So that was the use case that I needed it for, is to charge my daughter's laptop, because she did not know where her laptop charger was. But now I'm curious to see if it's going to charge mine as well. So let's test that. So MacBooks, it definitely charges. Now let's test mine and see if it'll charge my bigger one. This is definitely a little bit beefier. And let's see if it'll charge this one as well. Just a normal USB-C. Obviously, if it's charging the laptop, it's charging the MacBook. It puts out 30 watts. It puts out 30 watts on the USB-C, USB-C-A. It's going to give you 18 watts, I believe. Just let me double check that. Yeah, it gives you 18 watts max, which means that you're going to get super fast charging for your phone as well. So I definitely pick this up. If your use case is you need something charged, you need something charged fast, it's going to work for you. Love it.